Whew. Good morning. It is 6:18 in the morning on a Saturday, and I'm going to do something that excites me today. Something I haven't done in a very long time. Well, first of all, I need to get some fuel. Blimey, the cost of fuel now. Breakfast. See, touring cars have been in my life since early 90s. My very first experience with super touring cars, the super touring car era, was 1991, I think it was. Yeah, it was definitely 1991. Never seen them before. Went to Oulton Park and I was absolutely blown away by it. And now I just follow them. I don't follow them everywhere. I haven't seen them for a fair few years actually. Probably knocking on 2 or 3 years now. They used to do a circuit where they raced, and it died off slowly but surely. They're doing this exhibition, which is great. Now, going to this a bonus, super touring cars and Oulton Park. Going to be awesome. Well, we've almost made it. There's the sign. Oulton Park, 1.5 miles. I love getting to that sign, knowing that I'm very close to the circuit. One of my favourite places in the whole wide world is Oulton Park. Now, this is the drive. This is the drive that makes it all exciting. Oh, we're stuck in a traffic jam already. Usually at BTCC, if you were to come here on a Sunday, just for the race, this will be chock-a-block, and when it's finished, this is chock-a-block. I never come out this way. Generally, when we stay at Oulton Park for the touring cars, we actually stay there. We actually stay on the circuit and leave late on a Sunday, because all of this is just so chock-a-block. Subaru Forester. Oh, what a sound. So here we are. Oh, it's not. So we're here. This is Oulton Park. This is Oulton Park. We're going over the circuit now. This is the straight before the start finish. Turns left, turns right there, goes down Deer's Leap, and then it's the start finish. Oh, we're here. We're here. It's quite busy. Ticket sales. We need a ticket sale, don't we?
Really good. Have a lovely day.
Thanks very much. See you, bud. Ooh. You gonna let me in? Is he fuck? Asshole. Fantastic. Where should we park? Let's park on that hill over there. Oh yes, I love coming here. It's exciting. It's exciting. So we've made it. Can I go down there?
Yeah, keep going.
Cheers. We're just about to park if you didn't know where we were. We're on top of the hillside. It's not often I actually come up this side. Normally I'm parked on the other side, which is over there where the camping is. But today I am here. Strange. So we're going down to, I forgot what they call it, Clay Hill.
Car fire at the front here.
Right, as you can probably tell, I'm wet through. It absolutely peed it down about half an hour ago, and I was way over the other side of the circuit where the international park goes. I was way over there, and it just absolutely hammered it down, and it was just about, as the super touring cars were just about to come out. I got some footage, but there weren't many of them out, to be quite fair. The Renault Laguna was out, Winkelhock's BMW, and then some other ones I've never seen before, including a Skoda Rapide, I think it was, that didn't seem to fit in that class. Anyway, it was in there. One thing I've noticed about this place is there's some very, very cool cars. Just over there is an Alfa Romeo Brera, which I absolutely love. There's I've got pictures of other cars as well, such as a Citroen C4 Sebastian Loeb edition. Just over there, there's Capris and there's other kind of cars, but it's now 20 past 4 and most people are just starting to leave because it keeps raining, and it was only supposed to be a light rain and it's turned into a heavy rain. I've got tired, I've had enough. I did want to stay and watch the MG Cup again because that was really good. There's about 40 cars in it, 38 or something like that. It's fantastic. Tim Harvey's driving in it as well. He came 5th, I think it was, in the last race, which was just before dinner, I believe, but it was quite entertaining. If I'm quite honest with you, the whole event's brilliant except for the two touring cars. The thing I came for, the super touring cars, I was a bit sort of, it was deflated, if I'm honest. The Volvo 850 was fantastic. Came out this morning. Unfortunately, it packed up and I'm being out again. So that disappeared. Jason Hughes's car and the Paul Radice's Ford Mondeo and Absalom, is it? The Cavalier. Why, I don't know why they were in the section they were in. Why were they not in the Super Tourist? And even if they were racing before the Super Tourers came on. Even so, what it's a Super Tourer event, so those 3 cars should have been in the exhibition as well, which was the next thing that came on. I don't know why they weren't. So you saw them racing, and then they didn't come out in the next bit. So effectively, you only had 3 Super Tourers, maybe 4, maximum 5. But on the first time they came out, loads of them went straight back into the pits. So we only saw about 3 cars. And then the second time they've been out, they're coming out again later on, but I'm not stopping around. The next time they came out, it was pouring down, and only a couple of them came out. Winkelop's BMW, the Renault Laguna, which is an awesome car. The car of my sort of today, for me, was the RS500 Texaco Ford Sierra. Unbelievable power up the hill. I'm currently sat just over there. Is I forgot what they call it. Is it Clay Hill? I'm not 100% sure. Steep hill goes upwards. New bridge and everything crosses over onto the other side of the circuit. Going up there, it was incredible. It just went woof. I was so impressed with it. The section I was impressed the most with, though, was the one that's just been on, and it was full of BMWs and the likes, and unbelievably good racing. I enjoyed it very much. The whole event was fantastic. Just I was a bit deflated by the Super Tourers, which was that was the top of the channel one. But that's it for me. So I'll come back next year. Here we go.
Your route is being calculated.
My route is being calculated. I should hope so. I need my route to be calculated so I can actually go home. Look at that Brera there. It's just stunning.
Please follow the arrow on the display.
If you want to know how much it cost me to get in here today, a reasonable £30 I thought, because if you consider it right, it sounds a lot, doesn't it, £30, but when you consider it right, think of it this way, right, if I got here at 8:30, I think it was about 8:30, and I've stayed until 4:30, 8 hours. 8 hours, 30 quid, it's not even 10 quid. Oh, 8 hours, 30 quid, it's not bad, is it? It's not bad at all. I can't work out the maths, I'm too tired. So anyway, we're heading home now, so